So today we are doing a photo shoot and I am super excited, guys. Listen, I have not done a photo shoot in a minute with the family since Egypt was like, I think she was 2. But we're doing a photo shoot. We're about to get ready. Okay, it's a game. But y'all, this how my house is. Very, very loud for no reason. So today you guys are gonna be behind the scenes viewing how we get it done. I'm super excited. I think we're gonna be real cute. Girl, mind your business. Anyways, I'm about to get them ready. I'm about to get us ready. We were gonna put the dogs in the shoot, but that's not going to happen because Randall is not feeling it, okay? And we didn't get their shirts. So the dogs will be here at home, but we are going to roll out today. We're gonna be real cute. I'm super excited. I done say real cute a lot, so y'all know I'm excited. Somebody's up. Hey, RJ. Hey, man, good morning. Good morning, man. Are you ready for the photo shoot today? Good morning, mama, little man. Y'all, we are kill you. Do you hear me? In this place.
I probably won't go to Tanga to buy clothes. I don't feel like.
Y'all hear my best friend?
Hey, y'all. Look at me.
Going on the tube. She going on the tube. She don't even know it. Well, she know it now. Let me show y'all my outfit. Maybe y'all can see it. So I got on a black and white turtleneck up under this leather jacket. I tucked it in because it looks better tucked in. That I got from Ashley Stewart. I got my skirt from H&M. My skirt is a little too big, but we gonna make it work. And the turtleneck came from Amazon. So I'm feeling real cute, real hot. Oh, and the boots, yes ma'am, they came from Dillard's. So yeah, I gotta break these bad boys in because this leather tight. I got all the babies ready.
I'm a baby.
Say hey, Egypt.
Not a baby.
Phoenix.
I'm a baby.
I got Lauren. Getting her brother in his seat. RJ. We are about to head out. We here. We about to make it happen. That's my photographer slash sister slash best friend. Come on now. Yes.
Come on now.
Yeah, so let's get into it. Looking good. Come on, baby. Yes. Big Dad in the building. Him and RJ look like twins. Let me show y'all RJ. Y'all look at RJ. Oh, you can't really see it. And his little outfit. Oh, look at him.
Hey, Egypt girl. You ready for some photos, girl? Stand up. Oh, you so pretty.
Let me check y'all face. Make sure we ain't got no white spots or nothing. Y'all don't look dry.
You so pretty.
Say cheese, let me see a pretty smile. Let me see.
Turn around,
Just not
famous.
so
So,
pretty.
TT. There you go.
This man, out. That's how you take
Come right here,
pictures out
Phoenix. Step up. Music
You ready?
All right,
Yes.
Hey, EG. Hey, EG. Hey, girl. Come on now.
Here, won't you come?
Just laugh.
Don't look like a who, girl.
Say, look at this way, though, Lauren. Lauren, you gotta keep your body this way.
Say, ah. Please, that's all.
Zaza.
Where's your boy?
They are
There you go,
beautiful.
boy.
Cute.
There you go, boy.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, we get Olive Garden here too.
You gotta show
Y'all
him
gonna
your
look
bow
down
tie.
at Egypt.
Oh, my
We
hands
good to
are
roll.
freezing.
Girl, it's not cold.
Your mama, you excited? I excited, mommy. What did you? Okay, so it's a wrap for the photo shoot. We had a great time. Everybody looks so good. Before I go, make sure you definitely like the channel, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a video. So talk to you guys soon, and
Thanks for watching our videos.
yeah.